Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data and power. Back up and charge the phone above 50% because you will disconnect the battery. First, confirm if the problem is software. Test volume and settings in safe mode and with Bluetooth off. This tells you whether to continue with hardware work. Next, remove the case and SIM tray, then inspect the external button for debris. Once done, you'll know if you can fix the button externally or must open the phone. You now move into careful disassembly. Remove screws and apply gentle heat when adhesive holds the screen. Use a thin pick to separate the display without bending it. Once open, disconnect the battery immediately to avoid shorts because safety prevents damage. Locate the volume flex cable and switch assembly, then inspect for corrosion, worn contacts, or a torn ribbon. If you find grime, clean contacts with 90% IPA and a soft brush. Once dry, reseat connectors firmly and test before reassembly to confirm repair progress. You finish by reversing the disassembly steps. Reconnect the battery, align and reseat the display, and tighten screws to manufacturer torque. Don't over-tighten. Power on and test volume buttons in multiple apps to verify tactile response and software recognition. If the problem remains, remap controls via accessibility settings or use an on-screen volume utility as a temporary workaround. This demonstrates whether software can override.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.